Welcome and thank you for being here. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a hypnosis process that was very impactful for me, and I'm sure it'll be very impactful for you as well. So all you need to do is make sure, for one, that you're not driving, and for two, that you're in a comfortable spot where you can sit down and you can be undisturbed for the next couple minutes. So with that being said, we're gonna jump right into it. And one more thing, the more you listen to this, the more you will internalize this feeling that you get. So I invite you to save this video and come back to it again and again and again. Now, with your feet on the floor, take a nice deep breath in and exhale all the way out. As you notice some pictures in your mind, you may tell yourself to relax even more as you feel the temperature of the air in the room, and as you notice the sound of my voice, you can sink deeper and deeper now. That's right. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in through your nose. And on your exhale, just sigh it out, allowing your shoulders to drop all the way down. On your next inhale, I'll have you open your eyes. And on your exhale, you'll close your eyes, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. You can continue breathing at your own pace. And as you do, notice your chest expand and contract. You are now in a powerful state of mind and body. And in this place, you're the boss, you're in control, and you choose to be here now. Imagine yourself at the top of a beautiful staircase with 10 stairs leading down to a door. Notice what the stairs are made of. Notice the colors of the stairs. If there's a handrail, notice what that looks like. And as I count you down, with each step, you'll double your relaxation. Taking the first step down, sinking deeper and deeper. Taking the second step down, so relaxed now. Taking the third step down, doubling your relaxation. Taking the fourth step down, feeling calm and at peace. Taking the fifth step down, doubling your relaxation. Taking the sixth step down, so relaxed now. Taking the seventh step down, starting to notice the details of the door in front of you as you relax fully. Taking the eighth step down, doubling your relaxation. Taking the ninth step down, feeling open and excited. And on the other side of the door, in a moment, you'll go into a place of healing. So taking the 10th step down, fully relaxed, you can open the door and step inside. Notice what you see. Notice if there's any sounds. Notice how you feel here. Take it in. This is your healing place. And as you turn, you can notice a younger version of yourself sitting on the floor. Notice how you feel as you see this younger version. And go ahead and walk over to them now. There is something this younger self needed that they didn't get, that you can give them now. It could be love. It could be reassurance or positive affirmation, or something else entirely. Whatever it is, you can give it to them now. And if you want, you can give them a hug. You are good enough. You are worthy. And you are capable. You are here to do incredible things, aren't you? You are a creator. And you know that you can be grateful for all the things in your life. You can protect yourself from others now. You can control the thoughts you identify with. And in the past, you may have had a habit that was a coping mechanism or something that didn't serve you. But you can just let that go now. Imagining the weight dropping, feeling lighter already. It feels so good here, doesn't it? Go ahead and put a big smile on your face if it's not there already, and know that you can return to this place of healing anytime you want. And it's time to come back now. So go ahead and find the exit to this place. It could be a door, or it could be a different way out. And when you're ready, you can exit this experience and find yourself at the bottom of 10 steps that lead back up to you in your chair in the here and now. I'll count you up, and when you get to the top, you'll be fully awake, fully present, full of energy, and ready to learn even more. Taking the first step up, you are an inspiration to yourself and others. Taking the second step up, knowing your time here has been healing and valuable. Taking the third step up, you can integrate this now and over the coming days and weeks. Taking the fourth step up, feeling great now. Taking the fifth step up, noticing how powerful you really are. Taking the seventh step up, feeling light, feeling at peace. Taking the eighth step up, energy returning to the body now. Taking the ninth step up, you can wiggle your fingers and your toes and welcome your body back into the room that you're in. And taking the 10th step up, you can open your eyes, fully awake, back to the here and now. Bring your arms above your head, and the word is yes! Welcome back. If you enjoyed this short hypnosis experience, give a like to the video and comment below what you saw, what you felt, what you heard. Now, I intentionally made this hypnosis process short and sweet because that's all you really need. You don't have to go into an hour-long hypnosis to get results. You just need to feel the shift. So that's why I made it short and sweet, so you can save this video and you can come back to it every day for the next 30 days. And when you do that, when you build this habit, it will become easier and easier for you to go into trance. Also, if you're interested in taking this deeper, if you want to come to a live workshop where we'll do this process live, it's a lot more powerful when we're live, you can do that. I put a link in the description. I will tell you a little bit more about hypnosis. I'll demystify it. We'll guide you into the process, and then we'll talk about it afterwards. So if you'd like to do that, it's the first link in the description. You can just open the description, you can find that link, and that's how you'll get access. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe so you can see the rest of my videos.